Hey, how's it going? God is good every day. So here we are. This is Lily from Niu Woman doing the dishes. Do you know what? It's interesting that when you're doing the dishes, you're not really, just doing the dishes. You're actually thinking about things. You're planning. You're dreaming. You're thinking about what else is there. How can I improve in doing the dishes? No, we know there's a dishwasher for that, but actually, you know what? It's actually quite good to do the dishes because it gets you to think about things that you need to improve on. So today I was doing a video clip on my iPad and how I love using it and how I desired it and how it came to me for free. I didn't have to pay anything for it. So right now I'm doing the dishes and thinking, what else is there? What else is there that I could, as a new woman, what else is there that I can think about and visualize and just see it and manifest? Oh, anyway, it's daydreaming for you. So it's not just doing the dishes. No, it isn't. It's thinking about things that you want to do or thinking about the things that you want and planning and it's quite exciting. It is. Doing the dishes is quite exciting. You get time for yourself to think about what to do next. So anyway, this is Lily from Niu Woman. Just the thought, doing the dishes is quite therapeutic. Gives you time to think on your own. Many beautiful ideas will come up. So anyway, have a great day and catch you later on my next video. But do click on the bottom of this video. This is what we do. We work from home. I work from home, and on the bottom of this video there's a clip that you can click into, and if you want to work from home, find out through there. Cheers for now.